पढ़ना. Writing. Writing means लिखना. Running. Running means दौड़ना. Walking. Walking means चलना. Pushing. Pushing means धकेलना. Pulling. Pulling means खींचना. Dancing. Dancing means नाचना. Sitting. Sitting means बैठना. Swimming. Swimming means तैरना. Cutting. Cutting means काटना. Washing. Washing means धोना. Shouting. Shouting means चिल्लाना. Sleeping. Sleeping means सोना. Playing. Playing means खेलना. Flying. Flying means उड़ना. Drinking. Drinking means पीना. Jumping. Jumping means कूदना. Crying. Crying means रोना. Laughing. Laughing means हंसना. Bathing. Bathing means नहाना. Listening. Listening means सुनना. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.